Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I am Crypto Kip, and today I want to talk to you guys about an imminent CRO coin explosion that I do see coming very soon, guys. We are at a very pivotal point for CRO. We've been talking a lot lately about turning resistance into support. I've seen a lot of people getting very impatient with the performance of this token lately, but there is a rhyme. There is a reason for this, guys. There is a reason for some of the price action we've been having lately. I want to talk about one of those stories today and talk about some of the FUD that's going on in the space and a big rug pull that came into the Cronos ecosystem, but not from the Cronos team, but from some community members that went rogue and scammed some of the CRO fam guys. And I think it caused some bad news, which stalled us out a little bit, but we're looking good and we look like we're due for a breakout. Let's look at it, talk about it in this stream, guys. If you like the content, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's get right in because Bitcoin is doing pretty well today. We were trying to tap above $44,000 earlier during my stream, and we were not able to do so yet, but we are looking up slowly. On the day, we do have some movers. Optimism's moving pretty well. Pepe's moving, Arbitrum, some other layer ones. But in the meantime, a lot of people are sitting here looking at the Cronos coin going, why aren't we moving yet? Well, we're at rank number 36 at a $2.5 billion market cap. And again, when you compare this to a Cardano, to a Avalanche, to a Binance, to a Solana, this is very small. Cronos is very, very small, which tells us what, guys? It tells us that there may be a lot more upside coming. And I think that's something that a lot of people that are flooding this project keep forgetting. This has a lot of upside. $2.5 billion for a layer one protocol is absolutely nothing. And the total value locked up in this ecosystem is only $350 million. It only launched in the peak of the last bull market. It's barely even had its time to shine. And so we still have yet to see some movement ahead for this thing. But let's look at some of the things that are going on right now. For CRO, I'm looking at this key level, guys. We are turning the 10-cent resistance into support, hopefully here. If we can break up to 11 cents, then we will get a massive breakout. A massive breakout, in fact, that could bring us all the way up to 15 cents, maybe even higher, guys. If I zoom out and I go to kind of some of the monthly candles here, and let me just get rid of some of this for you real quick to kind of get some of the clutter out of the way. Let me get this arrow out of here. If you look at this, guys, you will see exactly what the story is. We are very close to breaking above this 10-cent level. Once we do, guys, we are looking at like this 12-cent FTX collapse level, and then we could get up to 15, 18, maybe even 27 cents in a hurry, honestly, guys. And so I'm looking out for this, but there's a couple things that we need. Well, first up, we need our leader, Chris Marsliak, to keep up with the awesome news that he's been rolling out lately. Talking about a new launch coming out, obviously. This is good hype. Recently, we've had the head of Cronos come out and talk with another influencer in the space about the Cronos ecosystem. That's transparency. That's good. And they came out to speak out against some of the issues that were going on with some of the inscriptions on CRO. So recently we had 100 million transactions, but the truth is, guys, is that the problem that happened recently, which caused some FUD in the space, is because of these inscriptions, and it is the same reason that we crossed 100 million transactions. So as we're celebrating some good news about this, about these 100 million transactions on the Cronos network, there has been some problems. In fact, CroScribe came out and explained this whole situation, and I highly recommend you go and read through this thread because a lot of people have been talking about this. They're talking about croscription. This is CroScribe. Now, croscription, guys, I believe this was a rug pull and a scam. In fact, I was talking a little bit in the community about this recently. If you might have seen by croscription, again, these are the people that I think rugged it. This was a community that came out and threw an attack at Cronos chain, guys. They call them a cartel. They say they attacked the Cross inscription thing. And Cronos is saying, we didn't, and it's just competition, and they're salty because they lost. And to be honest with you guys, I think that's the truth. I think, first of all, croscription is a couple people from overseas that were trying to rug on the CRO fam and then came out and fudded the Cronos chain because they rugged everybody and they were trying to come up with an excuse for it. And this caused a lot of controversy and a lot of chaos in the community lately. But there is something going on here, certainly with inscriptions on CRO. This is essentially a new form of NFT. CorgiAi, which has been doing a great job lately, absolutely moving up, again, day after day, kind of making new highs guys, which has been great to see. Recently partnered up with their own inscriptions with CroScribe, not Crow Inscription. Crow Inscription was likely a rug pull. To anybody out there that got rugged by them and scammed by them, my heart goes out to you. But guys, you got to do the research. You got to do the due diligence. CroScribe at this point looks big or legit. I don't know if it's going to be big, but we're going to keep an eye on it. CorgiAi could also be another thing that could help Crow break out of this move. You know, you look at what's going on right now with CorgiAi and it's booming, and it kind of reminds me of Bonk. And what happened is Solana was doing pretty well, right? It went up a little bit, and then Bonk came up and stole the show and went crazy, and then Solana started to rally again. Well, arguably, the same could be true for Cronos right here. Cronos has done a good job rallying, and then all of a sudden, CorgiAi came out of nowhere, has been making gains. If CorgiAi can continue to rally, continue to make moves, that as well, besides just the technicals here that we're looking at for Crow, which are very, very clear, guys, I really do believe that if we can break above, you know, this little box that I have drawn out here, above 11 cents, we can get a breakout. CorgiAi momentum, bringing new people into the space, is definitely going to be good for us as well. Patience is key, guys. I am not panicking. I'm getting ready for the holiday season. I'm diversifying into many ecosystems. Cronos is still a good ecosystem on my mind. Definitely needs to play some catch up, but that could be coming soon. There could be a big explosion right around the corner to 15 cents, maybe even 27 cents. Let me know what your thoughts are on that in the comments down below, guys. That's all I got for you in this one. I'm Crypto Kip. This is the Crypto Report. Don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. And as always, folks, you got to remember to DCA, HODL. And of course, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody. Have a great night. Got 2 videos for you right here if you want to check them out. Peace, y'all.